We're getting Harry Potter all up in this kitchen. Let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. It's your boy Gabe, and today we are making Harry Potter's butterbeer. Yes, very excited about this one. I'm kind of looking forward to this one. It's very simple, very few ingredients. All you need is some type of like butterscotch. You need some type of clear cream soda, because otherwise, if it's not clear cream soda, then it kind of looks, well, it doesn't look great. Let's just put it that way. And then you can either make your own whipped cream or just whipped cream. And then, I guess what kind of makes it butter beer per se is you just need about a tablespoon to a half tablespoon of softened butter. Let's make some butter beer. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your butter is softened. Now, you don't want it melted, you want it softened. You basically want to be able to mix it with your butterscotch. And your butterscotch should already be a syrup. If you have to make your own butterscotch syrup, just use melting chips, follow the directions on the package, and then melt them down. And if you want, you can even melt them down with the butter and do it that way. But I was able to find the syrup, thankfully. And so I got roughly 2 heaping spoonfuls of my butterscotch syrup. And then we're going to mix this with the butter. Like I said, I got it nice and softened to where it's mixable, but it's not melted. All right, so I got this nice and incorporated to where the butter's nice and mixed in. All right, and then we're going to pour this into our glass. Now I'm pouring this first because then the cream soda will kind of help mix it a little bit. We're going to just pour this into here. Okay, now hang on to your spoon so that you got something to mix your cream soda with. Okay, now you can use any cream soda, whatever's available. These little small ones I got 2 of. I'll probably use 1.5 just because they are small and they won't fill up the whole glass. But if you get one of those regular size bottles of clear cream soda, then you should be okay. Now you want to be careful when you mix this, because it will form bubbles, kind of like a float, and so you don't want to fill your glass up too much and then have a big bubble over. And you got a big mess everywhere. And it's going to look like beer. And you kind of want to scrape the sides so that you get that butterscotch nice and incorporated. I'm going to pour just a little bit more. Now, I want to leave a little bit of room for my whipped cream, because when you put your whipped cream in, it will kind of bubble over. Okay, leave about an inch from the top of your glass. Okay, now for the whipped cream. Like I said, you can make your own. This was easier and quicker, but if you want to make your own, it's just a little pint container of whipped cream and then a couple tablespoons of sugar, maybe even 4 tablespoons of sugar. And voila, you have butterbeer. I must say I'm kind of an artist myself, if I do say so. But that is why you want to use clear cream soda, because if it wasn't clear cream soda, if it was like a red cream soda or a regular orange cream soda, then you got a funky looking color, to say the least. All right, cheers. Let's give this a taste. Do I have a little bit on my face? Yeah, that was really good. Yeah, the butterscotch I love butterscotch. Butterscotch, salted caramel, I love all that kind of stuff. Actually, almost kind of light. It's not heavy. And it's not like super, super sweet either, which is also very nice. Because there's a lot of sweet stuff out there that, you know, when you eat it, you feel like you ate like 4 months worth of sugar. This is actually not so bad. And it's like the higher end kind of butterscotch syrup. And I must say, this is actually kind of refreshing, especially on a hot summer day. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. But there you have it, guys. Harry Potter's butterbeer. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. Comment down below. Tell me what you think, what I should do next, what else you want to see me make. Hit that notification button next to it. And on that note, guys, peace out.